So after me, this year I excel. Say it again. Say it again. Say it again. Say it again. That's part of the reason God brought you here. To move things that are stubborn in your life. To move you to the next level. So after me, I move. And death is in the power of the tongue. You can create with it and everything. So I want you to speak. I use the next 2 minutes under this anointing. The Bible said that when the hand of the Lord comes upon a man, he prophesies. If the hand of the Lord is not upon you, maybe you speak, the words can just be human conjecture. But when the hand of the Lord is upon you, when you speak, it creates. You have 3 minutes to create things now. What do you want to see tomorrow? What do you want to see in the next 6 months? What do you want to see in your ministry? What do you want to see in your business? What do you want to see maritally? Tell him to remember me. Remember you. Remember me. Remember me. Remember me. Remember me. The scripture said in the book of Psalms chapter 132. He said, Lord, remember David and his afflictions. How he swore unto the God of his fathers. He said, surely I will not come into my tabernacle until I find a resting place for the God of Jacob. Remember me. Remember me. Remember me. Remember me. Remember. Remember me. Remember me. Jesus, Jesus, Son of David, remember me. Remember me. Jesus, Jesus, Son of David, remember me.